Hey guys, we are on our way to Hyannis, and then we're going to take the fast ferry to Nantucket. This is both of our first time going there, and we're excited. Yes, we're excited. My daughter is with my parents, so no Savannah. Sorry sis, your car seat's empty. And yes, so we just drove it. How long was it? Like 2 hours? Not under?
No, it's been, I think, just about an hour.
Oh, well, it's not bad. Oh, just to get to Cape Cod's about an hour from us where we are. We're like 20 minutes north of Boston. And then we're going to get on the fast ferry, which I'm excited to take that too. So we'll see you guys on the ferry. Hi guys, so we are walking to our first dinner reservation at Vidito. It's an Italian-American restaurant. We're excited. We like carbs. Say hi, Mike. We are on the beach at this gorgeous lighthouse. It's a little windy, but the temperature is like beautiful. And we just had lunch at this place called BYB. It was like backyard barbecue. It was really good. We had these fried green tomatoes with pimento cheese and candy bacon that were bomb.com. I'm a Cancer, so I'm a water sign. So I'm very much into the ocean and the beach. Mike's getting some footage up there. The water looks so fucking nice. It's probably freezing, but YOLO. helmet on because we are going for a bike ride. And Michael and I both haven't ridden a bike since Nam, so it's been an interesting ride thus far. My ass and my legs are on fire.